How to add the picture on Canva Resume step by step. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can do that. So watch this video till the very end for that. Simply install and update the latest version of Canva on your device by going on the Google Play Store or the App Store. So after you have already done so, open your Canva application. After you open your Canva, so this is a normal whiteboard, but if you want to discard changes and add a resume, then what you can do is simply tap on the template section and you can simply choose for resume. Scroll on the right side, go on the more option, and then you want to have a resume, so just type for resume and here you go. Now you will find the section for resume here. Now after this, what you want to do is you want to add a photo on your resume. Then you can see, you can just choose any one resume that you want to. Now you want to add your photo, then just go on the gallery section and choose any preferred photo, and instead of this you can just remove it and add your photo on here. And you can also have any section changes that you want to by just tapping on there, and just like that you can change your photos and any other thing that you want to from the resume section here. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.